Air sofa beds are inflatable furniture pieces that function as both a sofa and a bed. These versatile pieces are gaining popularity, but like any purchase, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Pros: space saving. Air sofa beds deflate and fold easily, making them excellent for small apartments or rooms where space is a premium. Portability. Their lightweight and compact nature make them easy to transport for camping, travel, or rearranging furniture. Affordability. Generally, air sofa beds are more affordable than traditional sleeper sofas. Versatility. The dual functions as both a sofa and bed offer flexibility. Cons: durability, prone to punctures and leaks, potentially leading to a shorter lifespan than traditional furniture. Comfort. Sleeping on an air sofa bed often lacks the support of a traditional mattress, and might not be the best option for long-term use. Maintenance requires regular inflation and may need occasional patching. Stability. Inflatable furniture can sometimes feel a bit wobbly or less secure than a standard sofa. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.